Welcome to Electric Miles, where we're revolutionising smart EV charging solutions for installers, drivers, and charge point operators. Installer Miles offers a seamless commissioning process designed to make life easy for EV installers. Our intuitive platform guides installers every step of the way, ensuring every charger setup is reliable, efficient, and quick. For EV drivers, Electric Miles offers complete control and convenience. Our app provides real-time data and remote management, so you can monitor your charge, save on energy costs, and earn rewards. For fleet administrators, Admin Miles provides a comprehensive dashboard to oversee multiple chargers and drivers, all in one place. Whether it's setting energy limits, monitoring usage, or viewing performance analytics, Admin Miles puts powerful control at your fingertips. We're building a sustainable future, one charge at a time. Join Electric Miles and experience the future of EV charging today. Visit electricmiles.com to learn more.